Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Encrypted iTunes backups protect sensitive data like health and keychain entries. To turn off encryption in Finder or iTunes, you must enter the existing backup password. Open Finder on Mac OS Catalina or later, or open iTunes on older Mac OS and Windows. Connect the iPhone with a cable and select the device icon. In Backups, uncheck Encrypt Local Backup and enter the backup password when prompted. If the password is known, encryption disables immediately, and you can create a new unencrypted backup. If you forgot the backup password, you cannot decrypt or disable encryption directly. The supported method is reset all settings on the iPhone to remove the backup password. On the device, go to Settings, General, Reset, then choose Reset All Settings and confirm with your device passcode. The phone will reboot and settings like Wi-Fi, wallpaper, and privacy reset, but personal data and apps remain. After reset, connect to Finder or iTunes and create a fresh unencrypted backup. After reset all settings, reconnect the iPhone to your Mac or PC with a cable. Open Finder or iTunes, select the device, and ensure Encrypt Local Backup is unchecked. Click Backup Now to make a new unencrypted backup and watch the progress indicator complete. Verify the backup size and timestamp to confirm success before erasing any device or deleting old backups. Always keep a secondary copy of important data outside iTunes and sign in with your Apple ID if prompted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.